the best new kitchen items for your new home this Christmas. The holidays are a perfect time to upgrade your kitchen game. Whether you've just moved into a new home or you're sprucing up your current space, nothing says fresh start like a shiny new kitchen gadgets and appliances. From hosting Christmas dinner to whipping up cozy breakfast, the right tools make all the difference. And if you're dreaming of celebrating next Christmas in a new home with your dream kitchen, you know who to call. Your favorite Space Coast realtor, that's me. But for now, let's dive into the ultimate kitchen must-haves to make your culinary adventures merry and bright. Number 1, high-tech smart appliances. Give your kitchen a brain boost with smart gadgets. From Wi-Fi enabled refrigerators that let you check your grocery inventory on the go to ovens that sync with your phone for perfect roasts. These upgrades are game changers. Imagine preheating your oven from the couch while watching Christmas movies. Tip: smart appliances are an excellent investment if you're planning on a kitchen remodel or moving into a brand new space. Number 2, a versatile stand mixer. A high-quality stand mixer is the gift that keeps on giving. Perfect for baking cookies, kneading dough, or even whipping up mashed potatoes. A stand mixer will be your holiday prep BFF. Look for models with multiple attachments to get the most bang for your buck. Number 3, non-stick cookware sets. If your current pans look more battle-scarred than beautiful, it's time for an upgrade. A good set of non-stick cookware ensures even heating and easy cleanup, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Bonus points for colorful sets that add personality to your kitchen. Number 4, a sleek air fryer. Air fryers are still the MVP of modern kitchens, letting you create crispy, delicious meals with minimal oil. From quick weekend dinners to holiday appetizers, this gadget does it all. Plus, they're compact enough to fit on most countertops. Perfect for any kitchen size. Number 5, sharp, durable knives. A quality knife set is a kitchen essential, especially for holiday cooking marathons. Look for a set with a variety of blades, from paring knives to chef's knives. Pro tip: add a magnetic knife strip to your backsplash for storage that's both practical and stylish. Number 6, a coffee station setup. Start your mornings right with a cafe-worthy coffee station. A sleek espresso machine, a milk frother, and some cute mugs are all you need to bring the coffee shop vibe home. Pair it with a festive tray for the holidays, and you'll be serving peppermint lattes in no time. Number 7, space-saving gadgets. For smaller kitchens, space-saving tools are lifesavers. Think collapsible measuring cups, nesting mixing bowls, and multi-use utensils. These items help you stay organized without sacrificing functionality. Great for new homeowners still settling in. Number 8, a designer cutting board. Why settle for boring when you can have a beautiful, functional cutting board? Choose one in bamboo or acacia wood, perfect for chopping vegetables or serving charcuterie at holiday parties. Some boards even double as countertop decor when not in use. Number 9, the ultimate blender. A powerful blender isn't just for smoothies. It's a workhorse for soups, sauces, and even holiday cocktails. Look for models with variable speed settings and easy cleanup. It's a splurge, but one you'll never regret. Number 10, festive kitchen linens. No kitchen is complete without a little holiday cheer. Add some flair with festive dish towels, aprons, and pot holders. They're an inexpensive way to refresh your space and make your kitchen feel extra cozy this season. In conclusion, whether you're decking out your current kitchen or planning to upgrade to your dream home, these kitchen items are sure to bring joy to your holiday season and beyond. And if that dream kitchen isn't quite yours yet, let me help. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, I specialize in finding homes with kitchens that are ready to handle every holiday feast and family memory. Let's make your next move the best one yet. Call me today and we'll find the home and kitchen you've been dreaming of. Merry Christmas.